Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn and Earn with Yusuf YouTube channel. In this video we will teach you how to create checkboxes inside Excel. Okay, for example, these are the activities that you would like to track and you want to insert the checkboxes. Okay, then check them. Okay, how many are true and how many false. It means how many activities are done and which one is remain to you. Okay, to do that, so to insert the checkboxes, for that we need first of all to enable the developer tab inside menu bar. Okay, by default this is not enabled. Okay, so to enable it we will right click and this ribbon, this is ribbon with us. Okay, see my mouse and these options that you see. Okay, so right click an empty area, for example here. After right click, then customize the ribbon. Okay, press this. So after that, come here to the right side in this area. Okay, you will find the developer tab here. Okay, so this is developer and check it. After checking it, press OK. So the developer tab will be enabled in your menu bar. So after that, come here to the developer tab, then come here to the insert. In the insert, see, this is a checkbox with us. See, checkbox. Click this. After that, just draw that here. Okay, for example, right. Okay, we can edit this text also. So let's edit the text it. For example, state. Okay, let's press Control and press it so we can customize it. Okay, greater increase the size or decrease. Right click on this. After that, come here to the format control. Okay, after format control you can increase the size of this, height, width, for example. Okay, and come here to the control. So if you would like to link a cell with it, okay, to just print the result. Okay, for example, we will print this cell with that. Okay, and press OK. So it looks like this. Let's move it here. So let's click it. See, we got the result true, false, true, false. So we will do the same. Okay, we will insert the checkboxes in other cells also. Let's try press Control and right click this. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, and Control V. Let's bring it here. And reference these cells with these also as we did. Okay, right click on this, then format control, then just link this cell with that and press OK. So the same we will do for all these other fields also. So I linked all the cells. Okay, so we can check them right now. We can also print the result, how many activities has done. Okay, for that let's write here total, and on the right click, write count F's. Okay, count F's, open the bracket, select this area, comma, true, close it, press enter. See, just one activity is done. Okay, let's press this one. See, 2 activity has done. So it was all about to insert a checkbox inside MS Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and like this video, comment down. Thanks for watching.